I am going to show you how to make donuts today, and I'm going to combine my warm milk, butter, yeast, 1 egg and sugar together, and I will be mixing it with the flour and salt. So I will start by sieving my flour. And then I will add my salt. And now I'm going to combine these ingredients. This is my warm, just lukewarm milk. My melted butter. This is my 1 egg. This is my sugar. And this is my yeast. And I will have to knead my flour. So this is my dough and it is ready. I am going to make it rest until it doubles in size. So now this is after 1 hour and my dough has doubled its size, as you can see. So my dough is ready. So now this is my work surface. I will be rolling my dough here. So I am going to roll my dough. So now I'm going to cut my dough. So now I have cut the donuts according to the size that I want, and now I'm going to transfer it to the tin. So now here are my donuts. I will leave them for about 20 minutes before deep frying them. So as you can see now my donuts are ready, and I will be deep frying them one by one. So now here is my donut, and I'm going to deep fry it at very low heat. And here we go. So we are doing good. So as you can see, my donuts are ready and they are very soft inside, very soft, very spongy.